Hello and welcome to Uncharted Worlds. I'm Miss Curiosity, and today I'll be teaching you how to use your compass to discover the treasures hidden within the Ashton Gardens. You may be wondering why we still use compasses in this digital age. Compasses are a reliable tool for navigation. Unlike our phones or other electronics, compasses don't rely on batteries or Wi-Fi signals. Picture the Earth as a huge magnet. The magnet has two main centers of force called poles on the north and south end of the Earth. Lines of magnetic force connect the poles, causing metal to arrange itself along the lines. Your compass needles act like those metal bits, pointing north and lining up with Earth's lines of magnetic force. Pretty cool, huh? Before we start our adventure, let's go over the basics of using a compass. Its parts, how to hold it properly, and how to use it effectively. On this adventure, we're using a base plate compass. The first thing you may notice is the direction of travel arrow. As you use the compass, you'll follow this arrow to find the treasure. You also probably noticed the rotating dial, marked with degrees and cardinal points. N for north, W for west, S for south, and E for east. The floating needle, which is red on this compass, points to magnetic north and is the most crucial part of the navigation. You'll also need to use the orienting arrow during your journey. To correctly use your compass, hold it flat. Ensure that the direction of travel arrow is pointing straight ahead and that the needle is moving freely. Make sure to keep it away from other metals to avoid interference with the magnetic field. Now, let's learn how to adjust our compass properly. Hold the compass flat and level with your hand. Point the direction of travel arrow away from yourself. Find the first degree number you need to find the first treasure piece on your map. We're going to start with the degree number 270. Turn the dial on the compass to match the degree number with the direction of travel arrow on the compass. Turn yourself with the compass until the red needle is in the orienting arrow. Walk in the direction of travel arrow, making sure that the red needle stays in the orienting arrow. Keep going until you find your treasure item. Congratulations! You've just learned how to use your compass. You're well on your way to many adventures ahead. Now, go forth and find the hidden treasure chest in Uncharted Worlds. This way.